Wagwan. Manners and respect to each and every one. Me there again, my people. Yeah, so I'm going to present 2 videos to you in this video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? So, in the first video that I'm going to present to you, you can hear someone talking to a person who you can see in the video, viewers and subscribers. Now, more you listen carefully to some words that the person said to a person who you can see in this video that I'm about to present to you. And then I'm going to say some more words about the video or the situation after I present this video to you. Look, listen and observe, my people.
You know, sister, every day you put it up on the internet. Yes! Yeah, use dirty rag away for the cane.
No, not dirty rag.
Awa? Awa?
How can you rag and show me you?
So yeah, you show me away for the cane, sir?
Then for your peel cane, you have to clean up.
The people, them go on bad boat, you say dirty cane you out here sell.
Oh, talk it out, then for your peel out, track off like cane.
No, you're not supposed to do that.
No, just chop off the track with the cane. With the track with the cane in the back. Look into it, right? The skin off, right?
So you never know the end of the video?
Yeah, the skin off the video.
Ian?
Yeah. I'm happy to skin off right back, man. I'll be sure I rub you, I will put you back in the back. I'll be in your skin like this. Yeah, I'm going to touch with the back with it. Talk it out.
You don't know if we can't tell the truth, right?
Well, I saw you go like come here, I tell you.
I saw you go?
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
Me I wonder a couple things. Me I wonder how persons who buy cane from persons out there might feel after seeing a video like this. Yes, I ask some people, oh, if you notice, you can hear when a person in the video mention the word video. You see? Alright, so I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to another video, viewers and subscribers. I want you to look at that video and tell me if you see the same person who you can see in that video in the other video after you click the link. Yes, I answer my people. Yeah, I'm gonna say this. You know, this is generally speaking. Yes, I answer because them kind of things that sometimes will create a type of situation where good might suffer for the bad. Yes, I answer my people. When you sell certain products to people out in the public, like for example as a vendor, then so me answer, you should try your best to do everything in the cleanest way. Hygiene and sanitation is a must. Them things that is a must. If them things are not in it, then me don't know about nobody else, but that's a problem to me. Okay, so here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to listen to some words that a person who you can hear talking in this video said about a person who you can see in this video. Now the video shows a certain amount of persons, so pay good attention to this video, viewers and subscribers. And after I present the video to you, I want to ask you at least 2 questions. Here's the video. Look, listen and observe.
Charlie, watch your phone for me when we put this on. So my father here throwing me out here, people in Jamaica. One of the richest man down in Jamaica throw me out today. Having fun to see me here, I can't believe a man like this. I throw me out. Wickedest man tell me about me richer than him, and look for him where richer than me. Wickedest man when me ever known to write that tell me say me richer than me. Make sure I video him. The whole of Jamaica must see this. Spend my hard work money and fix this, and now you tell me say you come throw me out. Alright, the whole of Jamaica gonna see this. Me I gonna live in a shambles, you gonna live in a misery. Cause I can't believe say somebody wicked like this. Eh? And you come here and you leave that sympathy and say no, love my son. See him there in Jamaica, Peter McMaster, one of the richest man in Jamaica here.
Don't play mine. Get something fun. Get something fun. Yeah, I feel the gun.
See it here, the place I'm fix. The richest man in Jamaica throw me out today. Some things here coming out there. Give them an order. Peter McMaster, the richest man. One of the richest man at Jamaica. I tell me, say me richer than him. Eh? Oh, you for sleep? Me I tell say, Father God, oh, you for sleep? He said, God I go deal with you. Wait man, God I go deal with you. You may have your riches and can't live like well. That's why I'm sorry certain individual never there at Jamaica, yeah. Because it's couldn't reach me. I'm not calling nobody name. I'm calling nobody name a while ago. No, hold on, man. The most I play him in about 3-5 years. I go be him tell a man say 42 plays in morning. 42 plays and he buy 2 hours one year for $70,000 US a piece. And when I fix this and tell him, I fix it and we give back the money, he say nah have it. But if I buy 2 hours at $70,000 US a piece, him friend them come tell me. And I'll tell me say me richer than him. Eh? Me richer than you and you can buy 2 hours at $70,000 US a piece.
Can you have video store?
Yeah, me have video because they throw me out shaggy.
They throw you out?
Yeah.
How come they throw you out?
Me will ask the same question.
Yeah, where you from? Where you from?
See him there? See my father there, shaggy?
He's your father?
Yeah. May God go with you. Remember, God now sleep. God now sleep. Try remember, you try sleep good. You do me this, somebody I gonna do you worse than this in a life. Remember, the man I threw out my things them. You know, say years me used to live in there, sir. You understand? Say one girl would rent the place. Them gay and those cash run the place in a bankruptcy. Yeah. You understand? And now them that my things I'm going to check those fear things I know and them I throw everything what me have in the back part there, sir.
Oh, you can't
and talk from what they say.
You can't blame them, you have to blame your father because your father give them
then me say no, then him and the problem I blame she. Because him can't stop everything.
Yeah. And some mark you for blame.
Then me not blame she, you blame see him there? Wickedness man.
Excuse me.
I gotta put that back down there, sir, please. Am I that's why wickedness can't stop, brethren. I'm a sneakers them there.
You know what I mean? Because
Let's leave the blue and white one.
no, I don't want nobody touch nothing. One of the evilest man I ever knew in my life. Hello, Mr. That, don't. Put that back, please. Don't touch them. Give me that book. Put back the money where you put in there a while ago, where you take out.
Which money, Ken?
You see, you take out the money a while ago, Virgin. Anyway, come outside the place, Charlie, please. Yeah, sir, please, you're not supposed to eat yes, Virgin. Yeah? You take out my money and you talk about selling my money. I know my money, Virgin. You see me, I tell you? Shaggy, come in here and serve my place and find my money, you know, and I take it and tell me, say, I know my money, you know. No? No, I'm not going to find, and the brother tell me, say, him take it out. You know, I'm Bible thing there, Virgin.
That I think with Jamaican people. Yeah. Them no good. You see this? You see that? That
Yeah.
no good. That no good.
Alright, my apologies.
Run.
Alright, my people, you see me Dancehall skilla, I like to ask questions. Yeah, I'm not Mr. Know-it-all, so me will ask questions sometimes, even though I think I know the answer to at least one of these questions that I'm about to ask you. Alright, now one, do you believe that a real father would do certain things or things that a person said in the video that I just presented to you to his own son? Two, based on some words that a person say in the video, do you think that a person who you can see in the video is actually the father for a person who you can hear saying certain words and making certain allegations in the video that I just presented to you? And here's another question that I want to ask you, my viewing subscribers. And I'm going to say these words first before I ask the question, alright? If a person who you can see in the video is actually the father for a person who you can hear saying certain words in the video, then I wonder, why would a father do certain things or things that a person said in the video to his own son? All of them things there, may I think about people. And to be honest, based on some words I say in the video, the situation look away. Situation look away. Now, as the host for this channel, I just make it very clear that I'm not able to confirm certain words that have been said in the video by at least one person we can hear saying certain words and making certain allegations. You see what I say? But the video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I presented the video to you, my viewers and subscribers. So, leave a comment or comments in the comment section of the video to let me know what you think. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. So big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.